You can click drop-down menu. Then select values needed, OK? Got it? Now, fill the necessary values required. It will give two results. One for without bend, and the other with bend. You can adjust how many bars needed in your short span and in your long span, as required in your structural plans. If no number of bars provided, then check for the notes if given with the spacing of bars. Again, it will give two results for your two options. You can modify the diameter of bar needed to check for other results. Scroll down if you're done and start with the rebars and ties for your columns. Same as what you did with your footings. Fill the necessary values required. You will notice two tables showing you which steel length will have the least wastage. You will notice two results to your right in case you have two different bar diameter used in your columns. Say 16 mm diameter and a 12 mm diameter of steel bar. Now select the steel length for your ties with the least wastage. And you will get the number of pieces needed for your lateral ties. You will get three options for the ties. Option A, where spacing of ties near to your supports both up and down. While option B, following the ACI, which selects the least dimension for the columns as reference. And the third option, same as option B, only if you are using two different main rebars. If you're only using one main rebars for your columns, you can simply fill up only one row and get the results needed. Once you're done with your columns, you may scroll down to start with your estimate for your beams or girders. Using the same concept just like your columns. Same process applies. You may opt to do manual counting if your structural designer has a specific distance of stirrups, particularly on critical areas where shear force and moments applies. This Excel is for the sake of estimate only, and should not be taken as a structural design alternative. Always follow the correct spacing or distance of bars provided in your structural plans to ensure that the max strength of steel is achieved. All values shown are for demo or for educational purposes only. And all computed quantities are not yet absolute or exact, but you're given the discretion to make necessary adjustments and add needed percentage for contingency, as unforeseen factors will always be present on actual construction stages. This Excel will just expedite your manual computations. And in case you have a rush project, then this will help you to have an immediate response to your client. Feel free to visit the link provided in the description below for more Excel calculators for your estimates. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to support this channel for more upcoming videos to come. Again, thank you. And as always, remember when dealing with construction for your projects, safety first.